Alright, let's jump right into breakfast. I usually just have a smoothie for breakfast, but on this day I was a little hungry, so I'm gonna do some omelette. I have some spinach, some sweet onions, some frozen bell peppers, some tomatoes, and some beef sausage. This is the frozen peppers I use. I get this from Trader Joe, and then the spinach I use is also from Trader Joe. Everything in this video is from Trader Joe unless otherwise noted. That's the beef sausage, and then of course some eggs. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs into a bowl and add a little bit of water. I like to add water to my omelette. Am I the only one that does this? But that's so it doesn't break apart too much. And honestly, it failed me this day because it ended up breaking up anyway. So I'm gonna add some salt. And then on medium heat, I'm gonna put my pan over my stove and then get started. First, I'm gonna spray some avocado oil just after the pan has heated up a little bit. And then I'm gonna add my onions and let that cook a little bit. Now I'm gonna add my bell peppers and my sausage. And then to that I'll add some salt, some black pepper, some paprika, and some thyme. I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit so the spices can mix well together. Then I'm gonna add my tomatoes and set that aside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fry my omelette, my eggs, and this is where things went a little bit south because the egg ended up breaking up too much than I really wanted it to, but it was still delicious, so I still went ahead with it. I really wanted a perfectly folded omelette with a filling inside, but that didn't work out today, but we're still gonna go ahead. I'm gonna add some Gouda cheese, also from Trader Joe. Gouda cheese is probably my favorite cheese. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in the bell peppers and onions and sausage that I cooked previously. And I'm gonna top that off with the spinach, fold it over, let that cook a little bit, and my omelette is done. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and make my smoothie really quickly. I'm gonna add some frozen banana, some frozen blackberries, some frozen blueberries, a scoop of granola, and a scoop of oatmeal. Then I'm gonna add this protein powder as well. Go ahead with some plain Greek yogurt and top it off with some almond milk and blend it. That's my breakfast, guys. Like I said, the omelet didn't turn out the way I wanted it, but it tasted good anyway. That's what I had for breakfast. And then for lunch, I'm gonna keep it simple and go with some avocado sandwich and some potato chips. I'm using this ciabatta rolls from Trader Joe. Then I'm gonna use this arugula, some chili lime, also from Trader Joe, some baby avocado. I like to get the tiny ones because I can finish one in one serving. I don't have to waste it too much. I'm gonna slice my ciabatta in half. I usually warm it in my air fryer. To warm it up a little bit, I'm gonna add some mayonnaise, some pesto. This is kale, cashew, and basil pesto. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my avocado. Mash it a little bit right onto the bread. I really like this avocado tool. I use it for all my avocado toast and sandwiches. I'm gonna add some chili lime, some arugula, and then some tomatoes. My tomato wasn't really ripe this day, but I still went ahead anyway. And that's really all there is for lunch. Very simple and straight to the point. And then I'm going to top it off with potato chips, also from Trader Joe. And finally, some sparkling water. That's it. Easy avocado sandwich. Really good and filling. I didn't really snack a lot this day, so we're gonna start dinner right away and jump into dinner. I'm having some broccoli, some fried rice, and some orange chicken. I used this frozen fried rice from Trader Joe. This mandarin orange chicken. And a pack of broccoli. I'm gonna set my pan on medium heat. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in my pan and go ahead and pour that frozen fried rice directly into my pan. I've had this a few times, and in the beginning I was really skeptical, but it's actually really good. Just on those days where you want something very easy for dinner, this comes really in handy. That's it for the fried rice with the struggle that I had for my omelette. I'm glad my lunch and dinner were simple and straightforward. I'm gonna set that aside and go ahead with start my chicken. I did put the chicken in my air fryer a little bit to crisp it and also to warm it up a little bit. It came with 2 packs of the orange sauce, so I'm gonna pour both packs into the pan and let that cook a little bit. The longer you leave it on the heat, the thicker it gets, which I like it to get thicker because then it sticks to the chicken a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and take the chicken from the air fryer and put it right into the pan. I'm gonna mix it well, let that cook a little bit so the sauce can stick to the chicken. And then I'm gonna top it off with some sesame seeds. Alright guys, that's pretty much what I did for dinner. I am trying to get to 1K subscribers, so if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. And that's my dinner. I added some broccoli. I used the same recipe for my air fryer video, so if you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. And then I added some iced lemon water. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in about a week for my next video. Bye.